Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're already subscribed, so today I'm showing you guys one of my side gardens. I already video recorded two videos, a part 1 and 2 of my backyard garden. If you guys want to check that out, it's on the channel here. So basically this entire garden I'm going to show you, it's all perennials. Some of them are, I'm in zone 6, so some of them are kind of, like new and trying to get used to the environment and everything that I put them in. So anyways, let's just get in. So right here in the back, that's a red calla lily. I know it looks like it's dead, it's fried. We had a really bad heat wave here, and we had temperatures like in the upper 90s. It was awful. So looks a little fried. I know it's going to perk back up once the weather, it's still kind of muggy and stuff, but it's not in the 90s, so that will perk back up later on. Then we have an autumn frost hosta. These are the ones that can tolerate part sun. I know some hostas are fully shade, but these ones are great because they can tolerate the sun and they do pretty good. I don't know what's been munching on them, but yeah. So over here, let me just step back. Over here, I have a heuchera. It is called a plum pudding heuchera. This is year 2, so that's the second year here. It's huge. As you guys can tell, it has really pretty flowering. These are actually really pretty. When they dry, you can put them in a vase in the house. Really super pretty. Over here we have another calla lily. It's a red one. I'm not sure of the name, but I just know it's a red one. So another autumn frost doing its thing. Another heuchera. This heuchera looks a little bit fried, but I just planted that this season, so that's why it's not all huge. But that is also a plum pudding as well. I really like the foliage on that. And then over here we have, they call these autumn red daylily. This is year 3. As you guys can tell, it's pretty huge. I haven't separated it yet or anything. I think I might leave it alone for now. Like I said, it's thriving. I'm just gonna leave it alone. But that's year 3. And then over here, it's called grapevine daylily. This one's been blooming, as you can tell. I wish I would have got it when it bloomed, but when it blooms again, maybe I'll insert a picture into this video or something. And that's also on year 3 as well. Then over here, this is a endless summer hydrangea. I just planted that about 2 weeks ago, and it's pink, so it's still trying to adjust. I think it's doing okay here so far. So this guy here is a blue hydrangea. I got this hydrangea for Easter, so we'll see how it does. I know a lot of Easter hydrangeas don't usually make it out in the garden, but we'll see. And it is also blue, but as you can tell, let me zoom in. It's actually pink purple right now, but it was bright blue. Oh, and don't mind the mulch and all this. We haven't done any mulching on this side of our house yet, so that's why the mulch kind of looks like crap. It's last year's mulch. Here's another hosta. I'm not sure the name of this one. It's not an autumn frost, it's a different kind. Then over here, I just have some lilies that are done blooming, some begonias. I have an azalea here. This is its first season, and it has already bloomed, so. But it's like a really pretty orange color. So yeah, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was super short, but I do have 2 other videos coming up where I'm going to show you my other gardens. I have several gardens throughout my property here. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.